The wall thickness calculator, minimum for manufacturing, helps engineers determine the thinnest possible wall their parts can have while remaining manufacturable. This calculator has three inputs. First, select your manufacturing process from the drop-down menu. Options include 3D printing FDM FFF, 3D printing SLA resin, 3D printing SLS, injection molding, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, die casting, and vacuum forming. For this demo, I'll select injection molding. Next, choose your material type. Available materials include PLA plastic, ABS plastic, PETG plastic, nylon, photopolymer resin, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, brass, and polycarbonate. I'll choose ABS plastic. Finally, enter your feature size in millimeters, which represents the dimensional size of your part feature. After clicking Calculate Minimum Wall Thickness, the results appear below. The calculator determines the absolute minimum wall thickness your chosen manufacturing process can reliably produce with your selected material. This helps prevent design failures, ensures consistent part quality, and avoids costly manufacturing issues. Understanding these constraints early in the design phase saves time and reduces prototype iterations. Find the link in the description below.